Hi, welcome to our Pharma Topics channel. This series is related to the Safety Officer exam. Many multiple choice questions and important tips will be shared in this series of videos. Kindly go through all the videos without skipping. So, adulteration of maida with stones and sand can be identified by acid insoluble ash. Unsafe food means it refers to the foods which are injurious to health. It refers to the foods such as presence of coloring matter other than the specified colors, and also it refers to those foods which contain the extraneous matter. The headquarters of World Health Organization is located at Geneva. Then the heaviest natural occurring element is uranium. The food drink that contains caffeine may be added in energy drinks. The bacterium are Pandorea, Pantoea, Moraxella, but mucor is a fungus. As per the provisions of Food Products and Standards and Food Additives Regulations 2011, the solvent extracted coconut flour can contain the lowest protein content. The atomic number of an atom represents the number of protons. The acidity of the extracted fat pressed from grated desiccated coconut is expressed as lauric acid. Glucose molecules are linked with beta 1,4 linkage in the cellulose. Stable liquid form of water is due to hydrogen bonds. Size and shape of grains is measured by vernier calipers. A person handling less than 500 liters per day milk would be considered as petty food manufacturer as per the FSS, that is the licensing and registration of food business regulations 2011. The reverse of swelling of gel is known as syneresis. The sodium content in table salt is 39.34%. The National Institute of Nutrition is situated in Hyderabad. The Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority Act was promulgated in the year 1986. pH value of acidic solution is less than 7. Basicity of sulfuric acid is 2. The following enzyme is essential for checking pasteurization. It is phosphatase. Which of the following statement is true regarding provision for proprietary food as per Food Product Standards and Food Additives Regulations 2011? The proprietary foods should not contain functional foods. Proprietary foods shall use only additives such as at such levels specified by the subcategory under Appendix A. Proprietary foods shall comply with the microbiological requirements as specified in Appendix B. All these above are true regarding the provision for proprietary food as per the Food Products Standards and Food Additives Regulations 2011. Sucrose does not undergo muta rotation. ISO 22000 was revised in the year 2018. Red litmus paper changes to blue color in the presence of base. The inductively coupled plasma spectroscopy is used for detection of heavy metal contamination in the food. According to the substandard, misbranded or unsafe, it refers to the category of foods which does not meet the specified standards of the food safety regulations. World Food Safety Day is celebrated on 7th June. Food welfare officer is not there in the posting related to food safety of authorities related to food safety of India. It contains only food safety officer, designated officer and food analyst. The red color of beetroot is due to the presence of betaline pigment. Gold is not actually attacked by the environment. Silver, copper and iron are all the metals which are attacked by the environment. As per the legal metrology rules, the compounding charges for selling of products beyond MRP is within the limitation of 2000 to 5000 rupees. Potassium hydrogen phthalate is the primary standard used in standardizing bases. As per the provisions of FSS, that is a Laboratory and Sample Analysis Regulations 2011, approximately 500 grams can be sent to the food analyst of the whole species, condiments and mixed masala. It is around 500 grams to be sent to the food analyst for testing. The principal protein of rice is oryzanin. Benzoic acid is an example of preservative. The heat stability of milk can be determined by COB test, that is clot on boiling test. The FSAI notified referral laboratory for Gujarat state is situated in Mysore. The liquid having highest viscosity is honey. Among these, if you see this logo, it refers to, this logo is called Radura logo. It refers to irradiated food. Among the irradiated foods, the most widely irradiated food is banana. The principal carbohydrate in milk is lactose. Take this example. The last line tells polyols may have laxative effect. As per the FSS Labeling and Display Regulations 2020, it should be mandatory to label that polyols may have laxative effect shall be there on every package of polyols containing food if it contains more than 10% of the polyols. In the gas chromatographic technique, the separation of a molecule occurs on the basis of polarity as well as molecular weight. The most common naturally occurring form of silicon is oxide. The yellow color of milk products like ghee is due to the presence of carotene. The maximum permissible limit for free and total glycol is specified for solvent extracted cotton seed flour in the Food Product Safety and Food Additives Regulations 2011. The procedure by which an authoritative body gives a formal recognition to an organization is competent to perform special tasks is called accreditation. The full form of NABL is National Accreditation Board for Testing and Calibration of Laboratories. Labeling actually helps in identifying the product or brand and describes several things about the product. Let us take this. It is kumis. It is a type of fermented milk. The image has been taken from this source, which is free to use source. As per the Food Products Standards and Food Additives Regulations 2011, the instant coffee chicory mixture, the percent of coffee shall not exceed 51%. So it's a very short information of first series of Food Safety Officer exam. If you like this video, kindly press the like button. Kindly share this to more of your friends. Kindly subscribe to our Pharma Topics channel. And kindly go through all the series, and all the best for your Food Safety Officer exam. All the best. Thank you.